Experiencing a setback can be challenging for anyone. Whether it's due to a career hurdle, a relationship ending, a failed project, or a personal struggle, setbacks often make us question our worth and abilities. The key to overcoming these challenges is learning how to rebuild confidence and believing in ourselves again. In this video, we'll explore how to restore confidence after a setback, why setbacks don't define us, and some strategies to emerge stronger than before. Why setbacks are not the end. It's natural to feel shaken after a setback. When something unexpected disrupts our plans, it can leave us feeling powerless. But setbacks are just temporary, not permanent definitions of who we are. In fact, experiencing failure often provides more valuable lessons than success ever could. Consider setbacks as growth opportunities that can help refine our goals, reinforce our values, and bring clarity to what we truly want. Accept your emotions without judgment. After a setback, it's common to experience a range of emotions like frustration, sadness, or even anger. The first step toward rebuilding confidence is allowing yourself to feel these emotions without rushing to fix them. Suppressing emotions can lead to lingering self-doubt and a lack of clarity. Journaling or speaking to a trusted friend can help you process your feelings without adding self-judgment. Accepting that it's okay to feel upset makes the path to healing smoother and opens you to the idea of growth from the experience. Self-reflection exercise. Spend a few minutes each day writing down your emotions about the setback. Note what you're feeling and try to uncover any underlying reasons. This exercise can help you identify patterns in your thinking, making it easier to release negative thoughts. Challenge negative thoughts. Setbacks often trigger negative thoughts like "I'm not good enough" or "I'll never succeed." These thoughts are common, but they're rarely accurate. Remember that just because something didn't work out this time doesn't mean you're incapable or destined to fail. It's important to challenge these thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Focus on what you learned from the experience and how you can use this knowledge in the future. Reframing technique. For every negative thought, challenge it by asking yourself, is this fact or opinion? Then replace that thought with a positive one. For example, if you think, "I failed, so I'll never succeed," replace it with, "This setback is an opportunity to grow and become better." Focus on your strengths and accomplishments. When confidence is low, we often forget about our strengths and past successes. Make a list of your achievements, skills, and positive qualities that have helped you overcome obstacles in the past. This list serves as a reminder of your resilience and talents, which can renew your self-belief. Reviewing it when self-doubt creeps in can help you stay grounded and focus on your abilities instead of your limitations. Action step. Write down 3 things you've accomplished each day, no matter how small. These don't have to be major achievements. Small wins build momentum and remind you of your potential. Set small, achievable goals. After a setback, setting small, realistic goals can make a huge difference in regaining confidence. These goals act as stepping stones, giving you small wins that restore your belief in your ability to make progress. For instance, if a setback involved losing a job, an achievable goal could be updating your resume or reaching out to a mentor for advice. Completing small tasks creates a sense of accomplishment and helps you feel more in control. Goal setting tip. Break down larger goals into manageable steps. Celebrate each completed step as every win builds your confidence back up, reinforcing that you can create positive outcomes. Surround yourself with positivity and support. The people around us have a powerful impact on how we view ourselves, especially after a setback. Spending time with supportive friends, family, or mentors who uplift you can make the recovery process easier. Positive influences remind us of our worth and help us gain perspective on the situation. If you don't have people in your immediate circle who can provide support, consider joining online communities or groups focused on personal development and encouragement. Networking idea. Engage with a community or support group that understands your struggles and can offer insights or guidance. Being in a supportive environment can be a huge confidence booster. Focus on what you can control. Setbacks often stem from situations beyond our control, like job layoffs, unforeseen health issues, or external changes. Instead of ruminating over what went wrong, focus on aspects within your control. Concentrating on what you can change reduces anxiety and reminds you of your power to shape your path forward. Whether it's building new skills, adjusting your mindset, or improving self-care habits, working on these areas helps you regain a sense of empowerment. Every day, make a list of things you have control over and things you don't. Place your focus on the first list to remind yourself that you're actively contributing to your journey. Learn from the setback. A setback can feel like an end, but in many ways it's a chance for a new beginning. Take time to analyze what went wrong and what you could have done differently. This isn't about self-blame, it's about identifying growth opportunities. Reflecting on what you can learn from the experience shows you're capable of adapting and evolving, which is an essential confidence booster. Write down 3 things the setback taught you. For example, this experience taught me patience, or I learned the value of preparation. These lessons become tools for future challenges. Take care of your physical health. Our physical health can greatly impact our mental and emotional well-being. When confidence is low, it's easy to neglect physical health, but this can lead to further feelings of lethargy or self-doubt. Regular exercise, nutritious food, and adequate rest improve your mood, energy levels, and overall outlook. Exercise in particular releases endorphins, which naturally boost confidence and help reduce stress. Self-care tip. Start incorporating small wellness habits, such as a 15-minute walk each day or adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet. These actions signal self-respect, reinforcing that you value yourself and are committed to feeling better. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Confidence is built through small, consistent victories. Acknowledge every achievement, even if it seems minor, because it contributes to your journey of self-rebuilding. Celebrating small wins fuels your motivation, reminding you of the progress you've made. Celebration. Idea. Keep a victory journal where you write down your accomplishments, no matter how small. Reflect on this journal whenever you feel low to remind yourself of your growth and progress. Keep moving forward, even when it's hard. Rebuilding confidence isn't a quick process. It takes time, patience, and persistence. Setbacks may shake our belief in ourselves, but with every small step forward, you're proving that you have the resilience to bounce back. Remember, confidence is a skill that grows with every challenge you overcome, and each challenge brings you closer to your goals. Motivation reminder. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself of why you started and visualize the person you want to become. Picture yourself in a confident, fulfilled place, and keep moving forward to make it a reality. In conclusion, rebuilding confidence after a setback is challenging, but it's also an incredible opportunity for growth. Embracing the journey to self-assurance after a failure shows resilience, a valuable trait that strengthens our character. By accepting emotions, setting achievable goals, surrounding yourself with positivity, and focusing on self-care, you're well on your way to emerging from setbacks with renewed confidence. Remember, confidence isn't about never falling. It's about rising every time we do. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.